good, honest, wholesome people. That's like something that you can rarely find nowadays, but Down East is definitely super welcoming. They just open up the arms, they don't judge you. Trying to make, like, every day a good day. Even though some days may be bad, but it's just all they want you to do is grow and learn and just be happy for what you need to do.
People should consider Down East for a lot of reasons. We have an excellent training program in place to make you a better person, but also make the other team members here at Down East better in their jobs as well.
We definitely pay very competitive in comparison to other companies in our area, other companies even in markets within 50, 75 miles of us. But we have a support staff like no other. Whenever you come to work at Down East, we have an in-house training program where if employees aspire to progress in knowledge and technical skills, we enable that. We have in-house NATE certification training. We have in-house training programs to get you certified with different manufacturers' equipment. We also give 24/7 technical support and on-site support. So if you encounter something that you're not very familiar with or you want to grow in, we will send somebody else on-site to assist you with that learning process. We don't ever want to hold anybody back. We want that potential to shine and grow here at Down East. As long as you've got that internal drive, we're going to drive with you.
I believe the employers have your best interests in mind for the simple fact that they're so flexible as far as your family goes. Your daughter, your son gets sick, maybe your wife is sick. You don't find that a lot in the workforce these days. A lot of employers, they want you there regardless, of what's happening in your life. We're all grown people here, so that's why that's very important to me with Down East, and it has been.
The most fulfilling thing about my job here would be the people that I work for. They're really nice and they really appreciate all the work that their employees do for them.
You hear the old adage, patience is a virtue, and it's never more true in this industry. You gotta be patient with yourself, you gotta be patient with your environment. As a career develops, there's gonna be pitfalls. You're gonna make mistakes. Things are gonna happen where you're gonna have that bad day, you mess something up, or you cost the company some money, or you didn't finish the job the way it should have been. You gotta have patience to see through those situations, and we know this more than anybody, especially the management team here at Down East. You gotta forgive yourself, and you gotta keep pressing forward and keep learning from those mistakes. And just know that it's, at the end of the day, a happy customer is the most important thing. Own your mistakes, learn from them, grow, never give up.